Ball pythons are some of the most popular snakes in the pet trade, and for great reason. They're extremely friendly snakes. I've worked with dozens of ball pythons and I've taken in a bunch of them into my rescue, and I've rarely met any that are bitey. Usually when these guys get scared, what they like to do is simply ball up just like this, hence the name ball python. So when they're nervous, they just stay in a little ball like this, which makes them very easy to tame up. But let's say you do have a bitey one, it is a little bit trickier to work with them, but pretty much the way around it that I've seen, it might be a little bit harder with your snake, is just try and get them in your hands, and they'll usually ball up like this. Even if they're a little bit feisty at first, they end up getting a little bit more submissive and more scared, more skittish. They'll hide inside of this ball, and what you could do is simply hold him until he starts getting comfortable with you, just while you're watching TV. Just handle him, make sure that he gets used to all the scents and to the sensations of you touching him. You don't want to do this to the point where the snake is completely freaking out. If he's trying to bite you or if he's trying to run away, you should just let him be in his enclosure for a little bit. But if he's just relaxing in a little ball like this, it's okay. You could handle them. You could just sit there and watch TV with them, or you could just relax with them as you touch them, and they'll get more and more friendly with you. And eventually you'll have a big friendly snake that will climb all over you, just like this one. Once your snake is a little bit more comfortable and more advanced, another thing that I like to do is I just get them used to touching their face. Snakes usually do not like that, so I like to get them very comfortable with it. Of course, I do animal shows for little kids, for schools, and for their birthday parties, so they need to be a lot more friendly than other people's snakes. But if you just get them very comfortable with this, they'll end up being extremely friendly little ball pythons.